everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you have ever found yourself straining to read text in Apple Books, you are in the right place today. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to easily change the font size in the Books app. So, let's jump right in. First of all, go ahead and launch the Books app on your iPhone. Then, open any book you would like to read. Once the book is open, tap anywhere on the screen. Then tap on the icon located in the lower right corner of your screen. Next, select Themes and Settings from the pop-up menu that appears. Now, if you want to make the font size larger, tap the big A button here. But if you would prefer to reduce the font size, just tap the small A button instead. Easy peasy, right? So there you have it, folks. That's how you can adjust the font size in the Books app on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful and want to see more like it, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Take care and happy reading.